find it. This is the kind of position he loves, and that is why.
Lots of bodies forward again.
Now recover the ball, toss it up, and that's good for number 10. Moving along to number 9, I believe Shaq calls this feet work, and it's
Plenty of time, walks into the end zone, and